Hello and welcome back to Camus Classics. Today's one of those days we don't appreciate much, but it is that time. So first, Black Friday coming up. We have a 25% off sale on all of our shirts that are remaining. Go on our website, www.camusclassics.com. The link below and in the description, and pick yourself up a shirt. As you can see, car's under the cover and the Mustang is there. So as we were hoping to get this out. This is the Oldsmobile 442 that we've been working on. As you can see, it's covered. Dad's gone to St. George. We have snow. So again, it's that time, end of the season. Again, our shop's not heated. It's probably about 35 degrees in here right now, so we're not going to spend a lot of time, but just to give you an update, Dad was able to take the car out and do a brief shakedown on it. We have two problems. We have the horn honks every time you turn the steering wheel just a little bit, which is all sorts of fun for everybody in the neighborhood. And two, reverse first and third shift just fine, second and fourth do not. So we have to play with the shifter to get it so it's shifting gears so that we can actually take it further. He made it about 1/8 of a mile, turned around and brought it back. So it's under the cover. Again, we appreciate you guys for all you do, all the time you spend watching us and interacting and commenting and participating with us. We really appreciate that. But we are shutting down again for the winter. Again, the shop's not heated and it's cold in here. So, got the 442 here. We're gonna hit it again as soon as Dad gets home from St. George, about May time frame, and then we'll be kicking it on the Mustang. Besides that, we'll see what happens. We may have a little bit of work on the Firebird, or we may bring the 55 Chevy pickup in and work on that as well. So that's what we have coming up for you. We will also try and hit up a couple of the car shows that we usually hit, Mesquite and Hurricane, Easter Car Show. Mesquite's in over Martin Luther King weekend. So we'll try and bring those to you. We don't know for sure we're gonna make it yet or not. It all depends on work and what's going on and the weather. And so hopefully we can pick a couple of them up and keep you going a little bit with us. But if not, we'll be back. We're not ending the channel. We will be back. We'll get this 442 finished. That's the big one. And then we need to get working on the Mustang. And that one's going to be a fun one. We'll be collecting the parts through the winter, so that one we can jump on as soon as we get this one done. So again, we appreciate everything you do. We appreciate you watching us, and we appreciate all the support that we get. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.